What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Gearbox. It's your boy John. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Today is Friday. Just got off of work. You know what? We're about to do some shit to my car. So, to give you a little hint, this is what we're looking at. Okay? See? This little mat right here, flipped up. Got the box right here. What could it be? Well, instead of saying it, I'm gonna let you read it and I'm gonna show it to you. Right there. Yes, sir. That is right. We are installing the the taillights from Subispeed. So what do they look like? Let's go ahead, take a look. Boom. These are the new taillights I will be running on my 2019 WRX. So first and foremost, shout out to Subispeed. This is like the third or fourth thing I've ordered for them. They're awesome. Got a YouTube channel, go check it out. Really informative actually, and that's pretty much how I'm gonna be doing this install. Not too hard though. So essentially what we're gonna be doing, got to pop off, you probably can't see shit, but there are these three little interior things here. You're gonna have to pop this plastic piece off, and then we will have to get over here, pop these out, and kind of pull back this interior piece. Old taillights pop out, new taillights pop in, bada bing, bada boom, should be very easy. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead, take this piece off. Like I was saying, let's see if I can do it on the camera. Actually, I need light. But it's pretty easy. Those little interior tabs, pretty simple, but they can be a pain in the ass and they do break easily. So be careful, but not too hard. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take apart all this interior stuff. I will get back to you when it comes to taking the taillights out and then putting the taillights back in. Super easy. And yeah, so I'll see you in a little bit. Quick thing I did want to add before we start this install is that these are the clear lens dark base. So if you're going to pick up some of these taillights, they've got the red option, which I just think is too much like the stock OEM version. So I'm not a huge fan. Then they've got the clear lens, dark base, and then the smoke lens. I was gonna go with the smoke lens, but the issue is, I don't know, my issue is the wheels. I don't know what I'm going to do as far as wheels are concerned on the car. I'm thinking about doing something kind of out there. Not too out there, but you know what I mean. Not like a black or a gray or, you know, chrome. Definitely not chrome. But so I just wanted to keep it pretty conservative. Now, some of you are probably like, oh, well, it's black. Anything goes with black. Yeah, I get that. But I just think the clear lens is a little less aggressive of a look, but it still looks really good. So that's what I went with. So anyway, the whole point of me saying this is if you're going to pick up some of these taillights, clear lens, dark base, smoke lens, dark base, and red lens. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we're back. Maybe 10 minutes later. We have the left taillight out. So a couple things to keep in mind. One, there will be these three bolts right here. I think I used a 8 millimeter wrench and got those out very easy. You do have to, like you see here, kind of pull this out. And then one thing to remember when installing it. So you see this piece right here? There will be a fork that kind of goes through it. I'm trying to line it up. I don't know if that's the only part you have to line up or if there's some other parts. Trying to figure it out. But here it is. Taking the plastic off a little bit. Just trying not to, you know, scratch anything or whatnot. But it looks awesome. I'm excited. So we'll go ahead and put this in. Bolt it all up, do the other side. Very simple, obviously the same exact thing. And then I'll catch you guys. I'll turn the car on, show you the lights, show you the sequential turn signals, all that sort of stuff, and how it looks on this silver car. So I will get back to you in probably 20 minutes or so. Peace. All right, guys, I kind of lied. I decided, well, first off, before you do anything kind of lighting related, you want to make sure it works before you bolt everything up. So I just did that. Now I want to show you the stock one versus these taillights. I figured it'd be nice to give you a comparison. It's kind of hard when you're like shopping online to remember everything exactly, so I figured this would be a perfect opportunity. So first and foremost, here is the stock taillight. Obviously brake light, turn signal, all red, all that sort of stuff. Now, moving to this one. See, obviously the brake light kind of C is reversed. So you got this, then obviously you have the sequential, which I am just super excited for. I love sequential turn signals. Don't know why, but I love them. So anyway, guys, now as you can see from here, just kind of get these bolts back in. It's already plugged in. Put that interior piece back together and then move on to the next one and we'll be good. But I will get back to you with both taillights in a little bit. See ya. Okay, we are done. We have finished the Subispeed Taillight, whatever the name is, install. And damn, they look good, especially on this black car, or the gray car, especially with the dark tinted windows. But without further ado, here we go. There it is, perfect fitment. One thing to be mindful of, I guess, is when you're installing these, the fitment looks like absolute shit until you start screwing them in. Now, obviously, if it's way off, you probably fucked up, but it kind of works itself into, you know, the mold and everything, as well as on the back of it to seal it from any water. It has this foam pad if you've never done taillights before, and it takes a while for it to kind of sink in, if that makes sense. I guess I can show you on these taillights. See this like gasket right here? Just takes a while to kind of press in there, and I was kind of getting pissed off. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I paid all this money. But anyway, guys, it looks awesome. I'm gonna go ahead, put you down, start the car, and I guess show you what they look like. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this install. If there's anything you want me to do different on these install videos, please let me know. I know it's not as perfect as I'd like it to be. It's just hard to do when you only have two hands and one person. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. Please go check out Subispeed for any of your Subaru needs. They're awesome. The price is actually pretty good, and they sell some really sweet stuff. So guys, thank you so much. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, the whole deal, as well as go hit up my Instagram, Gearbox Autos, post some pictures every so often. Good stuff. Gonna announce that this video is out and all that good stuff. But we need to get this thing rolling. Gained a couple subscribers this week. I love it. Shout out to all you guys. That is awesome. But guys, anyway, thank you. Have a great weekend, and I will see y'all soon.